Since the Shillong airport is fully operationalized, the Cabinet has approved the proposal for amendment of Rule 279 and 245 incorporating AAI Umroi for allowing them to have on and off licensing for having a wine shop inside the airport.
Introduction of airport retail on and off license by addition of a new Rule 279A and amendment of Rule 245 of Meghalaya Excise Rules adopted and amended by Meghalaya. This is relating to one issue only. I just wanted to brief you. Since now the Shillong Airport, Umroi, is in full swing operationalized, the Cabinet has approved the proposal for amendment of Rule 279 and Rule 245 in incorporating Airport Authority of India, Umroi, for allowing them to have on and off license for having a wine shop inside the airport.